Again we are in the Western music. Welcome all. And today you will be learning the four rules of Beethoven. Do you know about Beethoven? Yes, he was a great musician. And today I will be teaching four rules of Beethoven. Let's have a glimpse. Come on, we will do four rules of Beethoven today. And we will start with the first part, how it goes. First we will learn from the lower octave. Lower octave means from here. And as we go this way on the guitar, we are going to the higher octave. And the lower octave will be counted. If I am here and I have to go to the lower octave, I will go to the thicker wires. यानी मोटी तारों पे जाओगे तो वो low octave हो गया, because they are sounding in the low pitch. How you see? This is low pitch. So we will start with the Beethoven first line. You will take first wire open. How it goes? First and the fourth of the 1, 2, 3, fourth of the second. That is first and the fourth. This way. Open B, D, C, A, B, D, C, A. तो यहां पर A माइनर कॉर्ड आ जाएगा. Then यानी 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth is the B note. How? So this is C, this is E, and this is A, and this is B. And the third is the E. That is 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now how it goes? First, second, third. Then the third part is the first part again. How? Then now I will be telling you the notes. How? So today's lesson is for release. Musician Beethoven. First line is E, D sharp, E, D sharp, and E. Then it is B, D, सी, बी डी सी ए। डैश का मतलब थोड़ा रुक करके ए बजेगा, और यहां पर जो कॉर्ड आएगा वो हो जाएगा ए माइनर कॉर्ड। ए माइनर कॉर्ड कैसे होता है? दिस वे। Finger number 2, 3 and the 4. This becomes the A minor chord. So we will play till here. E is the first string open. Then D sharp is this. How? Because this is B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp. So and this is A minor chord. Now we will go to second line. Second line is C lower. Lower where we will take? We will go here. We will not take this C. 4 notes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That is C, E, A, B. The notes are C, E, A and B. B is the higher note. The third is E, G sharp, and here you will get the E major chord. E major chord कैसे होता है आपको पहले लेसन्स में मैंने समझाया था. This 3 fingering you will shift just above. कैसे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 तार 3 फ्रेट में मैंने इसको बांटा और ये मैंने सारी फिंगरिंग ऊपर लगा दी. दैट इज 2 3 4. दिस बिकम्स माई E major chord. This is A minor chord. So the second chord is E major. How? You can check the sound in slow. Then and then the third is E, G sharp. E is the lower one. E, G sharp, and these notes can be played on the keyboard also. These notes, this is first line, so the left hand chord will be A minor. ये लेफ्ट हैंड कॉर्ड हो जाएगा कीबोर्ड वालों का. नेक्स्ट लेसन में मैं कीबोर्ड का ही बनाऊंगा बेसिक, यही फॉर रिलीज. एंड द सेकेंड स्टेप विल बी द लोअर सी ई ए. ये राइट हैंड है और लेफ्ट हैंड से फिर ई मेजर की कॉर्ड्स आएगी. ई मेजर के कॉर्ड के नोट्स आएंगे. और ई मेजर के कॉर्ड्स के नोट्स क्या होते हैं? ई, जी शार्प, बी. आई विल टेल यू डिटेल्स इन द कीबोर्ड लेसन. अभी गिटार का लेसन है. तो ई, जी शार्प, बी एंड सी. अब सी पे फिर वापस आ रहे हैं तो कॉर्ड कौन सा हो जाएगा यहां पर? ए माइनर कॉर्ड. यानी कि ये 3 लाइन में कितने कॉर्ड लग गए? ए माइनर, ई एंड ए माइनर. हाउ? Now students, the first line will be repeated again and the second line will be repeated again, but the last line is different, and that is, I will tell you this. अब मैं चारों लाइन आपको बजा के दिखाऊंगा, बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा. ये फर्स्ट हुआ, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फिर फर्स्ट वाली बजेगी, अब डिफरेंस है, यानी 1 2 3 4 E C B A. These are the 6 lines that you have learned, and now we will go to the bridge of the music. Pause. Come on, this is the first line. Try to understand. E D sharp E D sharp E B D C A. This becomes your fourth line, and the chord is same, A minor chord here. Fifth line is second line, C E A and B. Chord is E major. I taught you here. So this is E major. But the sixth line is not the third. It is the different. How? C E C B A, and here the chord is A minor again. Now I will play this, students, and you can see how the difference come here. E C B A. Now I will play the sixth line again and see. Now we will move to the bridge, and the bridge goes. Bridge का मतलब क्या? एक स्पीड में कार जा रही है, लेकिन ब्रिज वो पार्ट है जहां पर गाड़ी की स्पीड आप स्लो करके थोड़ा निकालते हैं, क्योंकि वो पुल आपको पार करना है. तो द ब्रिज ऑफ द म्यूजिक इज हियर. कम ऑन. नाउ यू विल गो हायर. दैट इज B C D E. And again. Now I will play from the higher, and I will tell you the frets. Here goes the higher tune. Same notes I will transfer to the higher pitch, and see my hand is moving from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and I am moving to the 12th fret, and how it goes. It is 12 11 12 11 12 7 10 8 5, then 5 on the third wire, 5 on the second wire, 5 on the first wire, and 7th on the first string, and then 5 6 7 8 9 9 9 7. So how? लास्ट वाला पार्ट इसमें ऐसे आएगा. E C D A. दिस इज ए माइनर कॉर्ड, और मेजर करने के लिए ये फिंगर यहाँ लग जाती है, तो दिस बिकम्स मेजर, द ए मेजर कॉर्ड. बट वी आर गोइंग टू द माइनर स्केल. दिस इज माइनर. I'll play in the Mendelian style. What is Mendelian style? Mendelian is that in which the plectrum के पास लाके दिखाइए. ये plectrum, ये up and down continue, up and down continue. And the high parts you see from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then third wire 12 feet. 10, third. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D. Then this is F, E, D, C, E,